Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Southern Fan Collector, back with the ceiling fan video. Today I have this 2006 Hampton Bay Quick Connect. Now this is a fan I never thought I'd end up in my shop, though I've seen various people have these Quick Connects throughout the years, but little did I know one would come into my shop. So, as you can see, I think this is like an iron finish or a bronze. I'm not too familiar with these Quick Connects other than they're really popular amongst the younger collectors or something like that. But I am looking to possibly sell this fan. So if anyone wants to give me a good offer, let me know. And unfortunately it does not have a fob on here. It didn't come with one. I might have one, but I doubt it. But without further ado, let's put it on low speed. I always thought these were unique. Like, something about them. I never grew up with these, so the only fans I grew up with was Harbor Breeze, so the Harbor Breeze equivalent of this would have been like the classic style. Though, this fan does very well remind me of a Harbor Breeze Tillman. Now, that would be a fan I'd always want with that type of motor housing. I always liked those weird Tillman first gens for some reason. Otherwise, it's about the only newer Harbor Breeze, or one of the few models that I actually like. But now let's go to medium. Now this fan does have a little wobble and a little bit of bearing noise. I haven't oiled this fan, I just only cleaned it. Sure, with a little zoom spout it'll quiet itself. And now let's go to high speed. And for those who like wobbly fans, here you go. This one is a wobbler, as you can see on that pull chain. It's one of those. Why it wobbles, I'm not too entirely sure, other than I think maybe one of the blade arms is slightly out of clock. But as I was putting this fan up, all of them seemed fine. Maybe the blade's warping, which I think that's what these are notorious for, is just blade warpage. Well, Easy Balancing Kit can fix that. Let's just look at how wobbly this thing is. Get y'all a good look. And that trim piece up there, for some reason it was broken when I got it. Now let's do the somewhat spin down. Alright. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys for my next one.